hashtag ABP. I have a cameraman named JJ. Hello, JJ.
Yo, what up?
Guys, today I'm doing the chicken breast and scallops. And guys, today the word is respect. Today, you guys need to know what respect is. To get respect, you have to earn respect. Guys, Kelly is the one person that inspired me to do YouTube videos. And guys, hit up with a subscribe and hit the bell. Hey guys, JJ, come up here. Guys, I pre-made this stuff, so I won't have to. The guy, JJ, come up here, please, a bit more. You see, guys, I had to pre-make this because I cannot do this while I'm on camera because it's hard because I don't want to burn myself. Today, guys, over here, please. Before you guys cook, because the coronavirus is going out. Am I on the camera, JJ?
Yeah.
You gotta wash your hands. You don't want to have sicknesses or get people getting ill. Because the respect thing is to wash your hands before you cook raw meats.
Yeah.
While I'm doing this, guys, while I'm drying my hands, guys, hit the bell and hit subscribe. And guys, subscribe to Kelly. Her YouTube name is Casey So Random. And guys, you guys ready to see how I cook my breast chicken? Like this. Guys, I want them to be a little brown to be ready. I'm behind the camera, guys, right now, showing you how it looks. Does it look good, JJ?
Yeah.
What's the name, JJ?
Respect.
How do you give respect?
You have to give respect.
Before you receive respect, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Respect. I'll come get you, JJ, when I need you. To be safe, always use a spatula to be safe. Because you don't want to burn yourself. That's how I want my breast chicken to look. Because I like a little brown and a little dark so I can put it in the oven later. Right over here, guys. You're supposed to stir your scalloped potatoes just a little bit so they can get soft. And when you guys are cooking, always put a paper towel right there so you put your stuff on. Right over here, guys. When it gets done, I'm gonna put it onto the pan right here. The pan right here. This pan right here. Put it in the oven put the temperature on 200 so it can cook and not get burnt to keep the juices it has in it. Guys, when this is done getting brown, you know what you need to do? Is put it right here. So when you put it in the oven, it'll be put the oven on 200, so it could be cooked plus keep the flavor. Hey JJ.
Yo.
What's one respect thing do you like the most? What's one respect where you know, like if you respect somebody, what do you want back?
Polite.
Respect. You mean respect? Say respect.
Respect.
Let's do this. JJ, if you give someone respect, do you want respect back?
Yes. Guys,
respect is the best courtesy to anybody you know. Even a stranger, you have to give respect to because you never know. They can do something that in the past, like do something in the future to help you out. Guys, this is what is going on right now. I put the other one right here, chicken breast. And guys, while you're waiting, you always stir this so they can get soft. Let me see if I can do this with what? Let me see. There we go, as I'm looking for. This is what tongs I'm looking for. That's much better. Sorry guys, I have to cut that. That's good. Flip this over. It's ready to be flipped. So when this is ready, you put this on next. The oven is preheated to 200. Thank you. What I was saying about what I'm saying, I use this to season my scalloped potatoes, and this to season my scalloped potatoes and my chicken breast. Guys, what's up? You guys know a joke for me, JJ?
Not today.
Why?
Not today.
Is it because it's not your payday? Is that your payday in Mountain Candle book, JJ?
Yeah.
Hey, I got a joke for you. Why does the skeleton cross the road?
I don't know.
Because he wants to prove he's not chicken. Hey JJ, tell me about yourself. What do you have to do for fun?
I like to go shopping. I like to go out to eat. I like to go to the movies.
What's your favorite movie?
Jumanji.
What about Jumanji? Non-sponsor, guys. Non-sponsor. What's your favorite movie about Jumanji?
It's funny.
What's the funniest part you ever seen?
I don't know.
JJ. Come over here, JJ. Let me put this on the stove. Let's get around a little bit. Come over here, JJ. We have to stir this every couple of minutes because we need to get them soft.
Yeah.
And soft so we can eat them. It's me, Ridgmay, #AGP here, about to flip another breast chicken. JJ, why does the foot wear shoes?
I don't know.
Does the foot wear pants? Does the foot wear t-shirts? Does the foot have arms and a head?
Oh my god.
Then why does the foot wear socks? Answer me that question. Favorite type of season? What's your favorite season?
Summer.
What about summer you like?
I like to swim.
You like to swim? Me, Ridgmay, #AGP. I'm about to put this chicken breast onto this, onto this pot. I think this is the last chicken breast I need to get it so tender and brown, so I can put it in the oven to cook on 200, so it will cook and simmer. This is the last chicken, guys, I have to flip before I put it in the oven. Does that look good to you, Jimmy?
Yeah.
I say hip hop,
Hip hop. Hip hop don't stop.
Hey,
Hey,
isn't she lovely?
isn't she wonderful?
What do you think? Is it gonna be juicy or not? Do you think it's gonna be juicy, Jimmy? You're funny, Jimmy. Yeah, I think you can see. If you guys can see his face, this is making me laugh. Peace out, guys. I stirred the scalloped potatoes. I already know when it's done. It'll be easy to cut through. It's not done yet. I need to cook a bit more because if I don't, it's not gonna be cooked already. We'll be eating raw potatoes. I don't like that. Do you, JJ?
No way.
Jose. Cut. I'm about to put my scallops and my chicken breast in the oven, and I'm gonna wait for the cheese to melt. When the cheese melts, it's gonna be ready, and I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys. So when it's done, I'll let you know. It looks about to be done. I'm about to take it out of the oven. If you guys can smell this, it smells good. Very good. How are you guys doing? My food is done. And it looks delicious. This chicken breast came out good. Look at knife. People at home, kids, you can't find a knife. And if your mom or dad, or guardian, or parent, should cut it for you. I can taste the juiciness of the chicken. The chicken is not dry. Piece of the potato. The scalloped potato is very good. Okay, that's really good. So guys, stay warm, stay cool, and keep it rigid. Peace!